I, Rigathi Gachagua.
Riri ndereti ya kuhagura munini wa mutongori wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua yetereirwo mbunge-ini ya Senate kiumia giukite. Atongoria amwe ni mambitie kugwetwo kuihuria ithenya riri. Muingi wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga ukiendekithia gavana WAIGURU kurutithania wira na mutongori wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto. Kuringana na aikari a kaunti ya Kirinyaga, gavana WAIGURU anatungata gikiro-ini kia utongoria wa bururi ta minista, gavana wa mbere MUTUMIA Kirinyaga hamwe na muikariri giti wa kanju ya magavana matina meri.
Oimanderoria na tha ungikorwa Gachagua na ekuthi mamutuigire anu WAIGURU ni murutu wira mwingi muno.
Moigite icigo iria ingi ni ciambitie guthagathaga atongoria ao na riu Kirinyaga marendekithia WAIGURU gutungata na mutongoria wa bururi, makiuga ari no hoti wa kunyitithania icigo ciothe.
Uko no kinye bandu Gachagua witu atuike na ekuthie giti ni gicokwe kirima no kuno ndu turauga Kiambu ni maibangite na Icung'wa ao Murang'a mena Ndindi Nyoro kuria Meru mena uyu mena Kithure Kindiki kwegwe na thu guku Kirinyaga ona thu no tubote kwibanga titurwa ni utongoria bu kauma guku gaturwo kathina kuria kuri tuge ona thu WAIGURU ona thu no aririkanwe.
Tunajua saa hii ni ngabana wetu, lakini akiwa Gachagua ataenda, wacha WAIGURU akalie kiti. Tafadhali serikali namuomba kwa heshima, president utuigire ani WAIGURU mandu gatutwarira na kuu kunene ati miene yo ingi tube ani WAIGURU na nitukwigua ngoro citu ina thayo.
Makinyiririe ati tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere ta ugima wa mwiri, gavana WAIGURU akoretwo agitigirira muingi na wagunika hamwe na tabarira ya urimi ya wezesha Kirinyaga iria irehete ugaruruku urimi-ini.
As of now, we wait for the right time, and when the right time presents itself, then we will be a bit more clearer on the next rule that I would take.
Mwena-ini wake, gavana WAIGURU akoretwo akionania nyota ya giturwa giki, akiuga ni akoretwo akigua andu makimwendekithia kumana na wira wake.
It is an honor to be mentioned, and mentioned positively. And it is also good to know what people think about you, and that they actually think that you can contribute. And I should start by saying that I thank the people of Kirinyaga, because if it wasn't that I was here doing the work that I am doing, and also the Council of Governors and the work that we have done there, as chair of Council of Governors, maybe that conversation wouldn't be happening.
Maya mathiite na mbere riri bunge ya Senate itanyitwo kwaririria ndereti ya kuhagura Rigathi Gachagua muthenya wa gatatu na kana kiumia giki. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ni njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa wira.